What's up, pretty boy? Alright, get back so I can put this down. Get back. Come on. Come on. Come on. Pee-pee-poo-poo, Johnson do time, please. Purple, Johnson do. Pee-pee-poo-poo, drop that do-do, good boy, yeah. Now we can go straight to the walk. Go straight to the fun part of things, baby. Every day, man, start with a smile. Working with my babies and make me happy. Yeah. Raised these little guys since they were little bitty pups. Just like all our birds, they were raised with love and care. I don't see how people raise animals in a building 24 hours of light and they stand and sleep in their own feces. That is just a shame. All of our animals, if they're dogs, chickens, or cows, or anything else, they're going to be living the best life possible. I mean, with all the love and care, and without worrying about being in constant fear and being scared of things, because we'll make sure. Yeah, he's pissed in your area. That's for you attacking him, acting all crazy. Hey! Don't act Trump crumper. That's for you trying to dominate a play and a pen. Let's go see the chicken. Come on. This way. Come on, Bubba. Believe it or not, these little visits helps the chickens lay better. Scares the eggs right out of them. I'm just kidding. You can say hi. Might scared them. Hey, easy. No. Easy, Clyde. They're babies. We're easy with them. We gotta be easy with their babies. We gotta be easy with their babies. You can give them a heart attack. These are our family. This is how we do the raw diet. Without these guys, you ain't eating right. You ain't eating to the fullest of your ability. Man, y'all sure are some pretty guineas. These white guineas are pretty. Those gray ones, man, they look like they're ready for war. Like they're ready for, like they're like from a tribe, from like an African war tribe or something, with the white paint on their face. They look like straight up warriors ready to go to battle. I wouldn't mess with guineas if I was any other bird. But like, hell no, them guineas look scary, man. Like some cannibal looking birds, man, that eat you alive. Alright, let's go do our walk. We got a mile to go, baby. Come on, I got other dogs to do. Let's hit this road so we work on your